I can't even look at the Brussels sprout. I can't even put it in my mouth.
You have to eat one.
No.
One more.
Okay. Where's the fork?
In your hand, babe. Come on. Brussels sprout.
Okay. One more.
One more.
And then I get a whole bowl of mushroom soup.
Yeah.
With rice on the bottom.
Yeah, but you have to have a few bites of your chicken first, too.
How many?
5.
5. Good. Water.
Careful. How is it?
Yucky.
It's not that yucky.
It is.
How yucky is it?
Really good. Can't even put it in my mouth.
You're doing just fine, babe. They're good for you.
I don't want it anymore.
You have to eat it. I'll give you more after you're done.
No, I needed to water the yucky taste out.
Well, you still have a little sip left. Put that big piece in your mouth and then you'll be finished. You can do it, Kylie.
Oh, any more?
Just finish it. You're almost done. Keep it in your mouth. Careful with that fork. Yum, yum.
Yuck, yuck. Okay, I need some watering. Do you smell my breath?
It's Brussels sprout breath.
Does it smell yucky?
No.
It does to me.